Right now at 6, the North Miami Beach mayor is out on bond. He was arrested on election and voting related charges. Anthony DeFillipo's arrest comes after months of turmoil at City Hall. Local 10's Roy Ramos was there when he walked out of jail. And Roy, did he have anything to say?
Well, he held his head down and we asked him about those charges he is facing. He simply replied with under investigation. We did, however, get a chance to speak with his attorney. He says this is all a misunderstanding and politically motivated. The Miami-Dade State Attorney's Office says there is evidence to prove he broke the law.
Can you comment on the charges, man?
North Miami Beach Mayor Anthony DeFillipo bonding out of the Turner Guilford Night Center after being arrested on charges that stem from voting irregularities. His attorney, Michael Peasy, addressing the charges outside of the jail, calling the arrest a political hit on his client.
Mayor Antonio DeFillipo has spent the past 2 years fighting against massive corruption and fraud, and as a result of that, his political opponents, their campaign workers, filed a ridiculous complaint with the Ethics Commission saying the mayor was not living in North Miami Beach.
DeFillipo has faced questions recently following allegations he doesn't live within city limits. We learned he does have 2 homes in Davie that he owns with his wife. That said, he's always maintained that he is a resident of North Miami Beach.
He has a right to own property. He's answered these questions 100 times on the dais and on the road.
Miami-Dade State Attorney Catherine Fernandez-Rundle addressing what led up to the charges that included 3 counts of violating election code by an unqualified voter, saying DeFillipo sold his North Miami Beach property in December of 2021, but continued to vote from that precinct.
Evidence shows that he voted illegally 3 times.
Cell phone records obtained show after he voted in North Miami Beach, he went back to his Davie residence.
Deliberately swearing to false information, as alleged in this case, eats at the credibility of our voting and electoral systems.
And the mayor's attorney does believe that he will be exonerated. However, if he is convicted, he could face up to 5 years on each of those felony counts. For now, in Northwest Miami-Dade, Roy Ramos, Local 10 News.